In this lecture, let's see how to print a text which contains special characters such as double quotes or backslash character. Consider these examples here. In the first line, the string contains double quotes. So you cannot print that directly. For example, let's go to the online compiler. I cannot print a string which contains double quotes as it is. For example, I cannot do something like this. Println David says programming is fun. This is our string. And this was the mandatory double quotes which was required by the println macro. That means there are double quotes inside the double quotes. This will confuse the Rust compiler and it will throw errors. As you can see, it started giving errors. So how to handle double quotes in print related macros? What you can use is you can use an escape character. The escape character is backslash. So you can give one escape character here, a backslash character, which helps the compiler to escape this, and another escape character here, so which will help the compiler to escape this double quote. Hence it is called as escape character. Now it is fine. You can see that it compiles and prints. But what if I want to print the escape character itself, that is backslash itself, something like this. So let's say I want to print C drive my computer backslash images, something like this. Here again, this string contains a special character that is backslash, but backslash is a special character that is escape character. Again, this would confuse the compiler. What compiler would think is this backslash is used to escape this M character, but that is not true. M is a legal character. No escaping is required for M. So now you have to use one more backslash character, that is escape character, to escape this. That's why we have to do something like this. Give one escape character here to escape this backslash and another escape character to escape this. Now this would print fine. Likewise, try to print these strings. That's one way of handling special characters in Rust. So this is same in C or C++ as well. But Rust offers some special technique. That is, instead of using such tricks, you can tag the string with letter R. Let's see how to do that. Instead of doing all these tricks, which will helpful only if the string is small. So if there are 100 special characters like double quotes and backslash characters, then you cannot insert the escape character by searching each and every special character. That would be a tedious process. So let's say I want to print this. What you can do is you can tag this string with the letter R. Let's say this is a string and I tag the string with the letter R like this. This is R tagging. Now this would print fine. You can also do something like this. So let's say let path is equal to, let's say use this here, and I will store this string in this path variable and I'll mention R here. Then I'll just use the placeholder and let's say I print path. So if you remove this R, this doesn't work. You can see here because the string contains special characters. So what is that R? Let's understand that. Instead of using an escape character backslash for every backslash we want to print, just tag the whole string with letter R, which makes no escape sequences are being recognized in the string. What this R does is, if you tag the string with R, no escape sequences will be recognized in the string. That means by default, this is considered as backslash character, not an escape character. But there is one problem with R tagging. That is, R tagged string by default doesn't recognize double quotes present in the message. For example, let's say I want to print this string. So I'll put that in the double quotes and I will tag the string with letter R. And you'll see this won't compile. What happened here? So this again contains the double quotes. But you cannot escape these double quotes using a backslash character here like this. Why? Because when you use the R tag string, no escape characters are recognized in the string. That's why, again, this doesn't work. So what you can do is you can use another kind of tagging, that is R hash tagging. Instead of R here, you give R hash and then terminate this string with another hash. It is something like this. R hash, mention your string here and terminate the string with another hash and semicolon. So you can use as many hash sign you want. For example, if I use 5 hash signs at the beginning, I should terminate with the same number of hash signs, like that. Now let's run this code, and this time it works fine. Please remember that R tag string by default doesn't recognize double quotes present in the message. So let's say you want to print large passage of text. Let's say I copy a large passage of text. This may contain many special characters like double quotes or escape characters, etc. So I cannot individually search those and fix it. I just create a variable to hold that large passage of text using R hash tagging. What I do is I just write the letter R and do a R hash tagging. This is for the readability purpose, so I use a couple of hash signs here. Then put the string what you have copied inside these double quotes. And then you have to end the hash tagging with a semicolon, like this. So put the text here, like this. Then I can print that variable value. I hope you get the idea of R hash tagging. So the syntax is this one. Just mention the letter R and a couple of hash signs, at least one. And after that, double quotes. Inside the double quotes, you keep the string and end this tagging using the same number of hash signs what you had used to create this string with a semicolon, of course. So your string goes here.